Hello everyone. Welcome to Class 10 Artificial Intelligence video series. Today I'm going to talk about Unit 1, that is Introduction to AI. Introduction to AI unit is divided into two main subunits. One is foundational concepts and the second one is basic concepts. Let's start with foundational concept. Under this, the first topic is what is intelligence. Let's understand what is intelligence. It is various mental abilities like logic, reasoning, problem solving, planning, making decision, learning and improving. These mental abilities are referred as intelligence. In fact, mental abilities demonstrated by humans and animals like applying logic, reasoning, solving problems, planning, making decisions, learning and improving are called intelligence. We say if we are intelligent, we'll be able to demonstrate this mental intelligence. We say that if we are intelligent, we'll be able to demonstrate one or more than one these mental abilities like applying logic, reasoning, solving problems, making planning, making decisions, learning and improving. Vice versa, if we demonstrate any or more than one these mental abilities, we are intelligence. Next topic under foundational concepts is decision making. Decision making is one of the mental abilities demonstrated by humans and animals. And nowadays, the AI machines, they are also able to make decisions. So let's see what is decision making in detail. I must tell you that humans, since their birth till death, B to D, they make so many choices. C, the letter C between B and D. So a human's life is all about the choices made by them. So it's the choices that we make throughout the life. So decision making is the process of making choices. Decision making is about the making choices. Sometimes we make great choice, sometimes not so great choice. The choices made by us sometimes go wrong, sometimes may go wrong, sometimes it's correct. When we make decision or when we make choices, the choices made by us depends on the situation. First we identify situation and we make decision. Sometimes we need more information. In order to take decision, we need more related information to make better decision. And sometimes we do have multiple solution of a problem. So we decide which is best out of many possible solutions. We call them assessing any alternative resolutions. So making decision is about making choices. Here I must reiterate that when we take decision based on the situations. Based on the situation we take decision. Sometimes while we are unable to take decision, we gather relevant information. And sometimes we do have more than one options available to decide upon which one suits well. So decision making is all about making choices. Now let's see types of decisions. Decisions is categorized into three categories: a structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Let's have a look to them one at a time. First, a structured. So, the problems that have already known solution and do not need any decision support is called a structured decision. When you have a problem and you are taking decision, you are making decision. So for the problems, having defined solution is a structured decision. For example, grading marks. One of the problem is giving grades. So while we give grades, answer is fixed, it is defined that if the marks is above 90%, you give grade A. So for a problem, the answer is defined. We don't require any further much decision support for it. Another is marking attendance. Marking attendance is one of the problem. Whenever we get this problem, we have answer of it. We have solution that if you wanted to mark attendance, if the person is present, we mark P. If it is absent, we mark A, isn't it? So for a problem, we have defined answer. So it doesn't require further any support to make decision. This is a structured. Another we have unstructured decision. Problems that do not have any agreed upon solution. They depends upon understanding and the choices of decision maker. In fact, unstructured decisions are those whose answer is not fixed or the answer or the solution is not defined. It depends on situations. It can have more than one solution available and you do not know what to be done. It depends on based on situation and you need more information. For this you need decision support from others to find the better alternatives or find the better solution. We call them unstructured decision. For example, ordering food in a restaurant. So one of the problem is like ordering food in a restaurant. You are hungry, but you are not sure about what to order. So you go to restaurant, you check menu, and then you decide based on various factors. What is season and what is the time of the day? Is it morning or lunch it is evening or what is the best in that restaurant? Based on multiple factor, you decide later. So the solution beforehand might not be decided. It's based on situation. We call unstructured decision. Now we do have semi-structured decision. In case of semi-structured decision, we have the problems that have already known solution but requires decision support for better decision making. We have answer for that problem, but in order to make better decision, you need decision support. Answer is already known, but further you need more information for better decision is called semi-structured decision. For example, medical prescription. As a doctor, you are sure, as a doctor, if your patient complains about the fever, there is already defined answer which tablet or which medicine to prescribe for a symptoms like fever. But if you want more information, if you wanted to see the root cause of this fever, you might ask the patient for some of the diagnosis. You might reports, multiple report, the test results in order to prescribe medicine. So here, for a problem like fever, already answer is a particular tablet is there, but you need more information for the better decision. That is semi-structured. And so on, there are many such examples. Next topic under foundational concepts is what is AI. Let's define artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be defined as the ability of a machine to think, learn, decide, and act like a human. Any machine, if it has ability to think, we call it as artificial intelligence. Any machine, if it has ability to learn, to decide, and act like a human, is called artificial intelligence. In short, a machine with mind is called AI. For example, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is artificial intelligence. It demonstrates various such abilities like humans. For example, the ChatGPT can learn as well as it can think. It generates the response of the query asked by the user and very well replies like a human. We have Sophia. Sophia is a first AI humanoid robot. It has various abilities like humans. Like the way we humans interact to each other, you can interact with the Sophia. Sophia can also interact with humans like in natural language the way we do. So it's mimicking human behavior or human abilities. We call AI. Next is, how do machines become artificially intelligence? We will try to find it. We humans are very well capable of making decision, applying logic. We are able to learn, think, and decide. This intelligence that we have, we got it from our mother nature. It's natural. But how do machine got this intelligence? Because nowadays machines are also having these capabilities, one or more than one. It's also machines are all also able to learn, think, decide, and act like a human. So how do machines become artificially intelligent? Let's try to find it. So here is the answer. Machines have achieved intelligence when they are trained with data. So machines achieve intelligence when they are trained with information. With the help of that trained information, they perform their tasks. They take decision. They make decision. And it also updates knowledge to optimize the output. In short, here is the equation that when an algorithm is trained with data, it starts getting intelligent output. I repeat, when an algorithm is trained with data, we starts getting intelligent output. For a machine to be intelligent, it is very important that it must be trained with data. Here in AI, algorithms are also known as AI models. Based on various problems, we select an AI model and we train that model with data. So when that model is trained with the data, we start getting intelligent output. So in order to make machine intelligent, we must train that algorithm with the data. Now let's see some of the AI applications around us. We are very well aware with self-driving car like Tesla, Google Lens, Alexa, Siri, targeted advertisement, ChatGPT, facial recognition, the app based on facial recognition like phone lock, object identification, handwriting recognition, speech recognition. These are some of the widely used AI applications around us. We can find these applications in various devices around us. This is also very important to understand that what is not AI. Sometimes it's too tricky to find out if the machine is intelligent or not, if the machine is AI or not. So let's have a look. As we have seen before, that all machines that we see around may or may not be artificially intelligent. For example, IoT. IoT devices may or may not be AI. The devices which are connected and controlled by internet is called IoT, and it may or may not be AI. If IoT devices has to be AI, it must have an algorithm trained with data we can call AI. Otherwise, it is simply a device which is connected and controlled with internet. For example, if you have a fan a fan in your room, and you are controlling this fan with remote, or you are controlling with the switches on your phone with the app. While you have a switches, you control this fan, you turn it on and you turn it off through the internet. It is simply an IoT. There are various machines, automatic machines. If it requires humans involvement, it is not AI. There are various machines which simply do the repetitive task. It is not AI at all. Now I will see you in the next part of this tutorial, that is basic concepts.